Check it out now. No doubt now. Yeah. Check it out now. No doubt, yeah.
Well, I'm 20 days sober. Again. Hoping to make it to 21.
Thanks, Gordon.
Denise is in a jam.
Denise?
Denise Woodson.
Okay. Here you go, yeah. So she's in the jam, huh?
You know what? I'm already getting the hit. You don't give a damn about her.
Nah. I like Denise. I just know a few.
I'd help her out. We'd help you out, too.
Moving a package. Like drugs, you mean?
We got Robbie, your dealer, in custody. We got phone records showing calls between the two of you.
Robbie deals?
We got calls between Denise and you today, before she picked up your drugs and after she almost got carjacked. We're gonna prove that you set her up.
She's saying I put it up to her. Flat out lie. Shameful that she said that.
So you're cool with having her take the full ride on this?
I had nothing to do with it, so yeah.
Oh, you're a real peach, Delray.
Because I did what?
You know damn well.
Let me tell you. When I was 10 years old, the neighborhood tycoon come up asking me to move some product for him. You know what I told him? No. I just said no. Now, I didn't blame him for asking me, because you don't get nothing as well as you ask. He came down, put it out there. I sent it back. Now, Denise, she got what you call a, eager to please mentality. And that ain't gonna get you none but trouble in this world.
Careful now. I got what you call an eager to settle a score mentality, Delray.
Oh, God. Hey, girl, what's up? Where you been all my life?
Oh, my God. What's wrong, baby?
I thought you was someone else, that's all.
Oh. Who might that be? Well, whatever. You know that yourself, nigga. Trifling ass moment.
Fine. So report him.
I don't have any evidence. It'll be his word against mine.
Look, Rourke's one hell of a cutter. He runs the surgical unit. He works incredible hours. He's under major stress. Maybe he needs a jolt every now and then to keep going. He's not the only one.
1 minute. 90 seconds. 2 minutes. 2:15.
Yo, what's up, man? Still at Rikers?
Yeah, man, they got me waiting on arraignment. None at all. Yeah, I just wish I'd have gotten there before 5:00.
Yeah, well, word is, he still got a chance. He went after the wrong brother.
Take me instead, your lordship. I can provide with lots of good side effects. Fearful ones, too.
Girl! Girl! It ain't coming off! It ain't coming off! It ain't coming off, boy! You black! Girl! Ah! Ah! Girl! 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 What we gonna do? What we gonna do, girl? Girl, it ain't coming off!
I got chicken and kid. And I love it. My wife, Sarah, she's home right now, you know, whipping up dinner. I go home, it's waiting right there for me. You know, my little girl, my little princess, you know, she's like my best bud, you know, I'm teaching her words and shit. It's nice.
Fantastic! How a burger!
Aber wo ist der Disco?
Let's make a pause, man. Hi there. Peanuts, please. Komische Erdnuss.
Lila Pause Peanut Crisp. Jetzt neu mit feinen Stückchen.
Besser als Peanuts.
Das macht die zarte Milka Alpenmilchschokolade. Die neue Milka Lila Pause Peanut Crisp.
Oh, yeah!